Hi everyone and welcome to another tutorial. If you're liking these tutorials, please subscribe, give me a like, give me a share, and let me know that you want me to keep making more. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a simple answer the question type slide, little quiz or a little follow-up comprehension type thing. So the first thing we're going to do is go into our view. Yeah, I've already put some of this in because you know how to put it in text box by now. So just add your text box with your title. Okay, now you're going to add a line. Okay, and you're going to copy that line a few times to just divide up your question. And that's the Command C, Command V, and you're going to drag those down. Okay, now you're going to leave the view section. You're going to leave the theme builder to do the next step. So we go out here, we have our lines. Okay, the next thing we're going to add is the text boxes for us to ask the questions in. So again, just a simple add a text box and resize it so it will fit where you're wanting it. Okay, and then you're going to copy that 4 times and put the numbers in 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. The other step you're going to take here is to put in boxes for the ones that you're just going to answer some questions simply for them to check. So you make 1, you copy those, Command copy and Velcro. 2, you can do that as a yes or no, the numbers, whatever, and you type in the question. So we're going to say this is how many little pigs are there? All right. And the next one, you're going to put in maybe some images. So we'll go like that, like I've had one done. So to add this video, let's go back one. You're going to go to your YouTube. You're going to find the video you want. Make sure you watch the whole thing. And to make sure it's appropriate, go to the share, copy just the HTTPS section with a command copy, then go back and you're just going to go to your insert video, find it in there, click that you copied, highlight it, and select it, and that's going to put that in. Okay, so now we're going to go to here. We want to put in now a picture. So you want to say insert image. Let's actually put the check mark in. So we're going to put our check mark on, resize it. Okay, this is going to be too big. And you're going to drag it down, make it a little bit smaller again. Okay, so there's your check mark. Why did you get big again? There you go, a little check mark. Okay, so you're going to copy that. And there's going to be 4 answers, right? So you want to stack those on top of each other. Okay, you're going to line them up a bit better than I did. And then you've got those in there. Now say you want to add a picture of a pig. Because you're going to say, is it 3 pigs, 4 pigs, 5 pigs? There's some nice pigs. Who's the story about? And 3 little pigs. Okay, then you add those to your answer. And or is it about, 3 little dogs? All right, and you kind of put those guys in. All right, so whatever questions you want to add, whatever pictures you want to add, you can do it. If you've got a little bit older kids, you can add a text box and just they can just type in and you can say type here kind of thing. All right, so I hope that was helpful. This is what you're going to end with. Now, one last thing, super important. You don't want the kids to move anything, but you need these check marks and this to stand out. So what you're going to do is add a text box. You're going to add that, make sure it's do not autofit, pull it to the corner, pull it down to this corner. Okay, now you're going to want to slide it over and highlight these guys, shift and highlight that guy, and you're going to shift command up to bring them to the top. And then this text box will go back over top. And now the kids can only move these guys and not anything here. All right, I hope that was super helpful and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.